I'm fine.
How are you?
I am fine. Which sports do you like? Sports do you like?
Badminton.
I like cricket. And which is your aim to become?
IS.
I am become to cricketer. And what do you do in one day? What do you do in one day?
Big people.
I am do other things to other days. And what do you like to do?
What is your goal? I mean, what is success in life?
My success is to learn languages and speak English very very clearly to other person. Get nice meaning.
Yeah, I can understand.
And what your success?
IS and big people in world. What is your name?
My name is Swaraj.
How old are you?
I am 10-year-old. And yours?
15-year-olds.
And which class do you study?
10th.
And and how do you get this idea to join this class of Oxford English Amravati?
My English is weak, so clear English I can speak.
You are younger brother or sister?
Smaller brother.
And what thing do you do in every day? What thing do you do in every day?
Study and study also.